You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 19 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 19 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the c. Divide both sides by -2. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 19 over 2.